everyone talks about 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures, and the amount of money that they're making, and the lavish lifestyle, and the glam, and all of the material and traveling that they do. But how many of them are really talking about all of the struggles and the challenges and everything that an entrepreneur goes through?
You're so tired, stressed out, and overwhelmed. But to make things worse, you have kids and they get sick and you have to attend to them, and also, run your house. So this is an everyday struggle for every entrepreneur.
To get there. How many times have you heard of an entrepreneur ending up in the hospital because they are overworked, overwhelmed? Um, the fact that we have to work 24/7 when we're first starting with our business because it's all about trial and error. Those are the things that you need to understand as an entrepreneur, an aspiring CEO, that life and business is going to get hectic, that life and business is going to be a struggle when you are starting your business and when you are growing your business. You have to find that happy medium where you are in control of your business and your life, and not letting life and business take control of you. What does that mean? Well, that means that, again, you have to have a balance. You have to have a balance of, your income, how much you want to make, how much time are you willing to dedicate to your business, how much time are you willing to take away from your personal life to dedicate into your business, because many of you are working around the clock, working on weekends, taking away from that family time just to get to those 6, 7, 8 figure incomes. Now, ask yourself, is it really worth it? Many people will say, oh, yeah, we want the material things, we want to travel, we want the so called freedom. But at what cost? At what cost are you going to get that freedom? So, if this resonates with you, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And hope to see you on my next video. And let's continue to boss up and rise.